Presenting a pre-owned 2019 Tesla Model X. This four-door SUV has engine with all-wheel drive and a one-speed direct-drive transmission. This Tesla has less than 119,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 99 miles per gallon in the city and 93 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free Auto Check Vehicle History Report. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.